Hey everyone, so let's try to test out making our shuriken rotate. So let's see. I would want to have a rotation speed variable, and we're going to assign the value of 200 for that. Let's save that. Then let's go and try to have the rotation degrees, or let's have a rotation degrees. So inside of the process delta, let's have a rotation degrees. And we have a augmented addition, rotation, speed multiplied by delta, and precision. Let's see. Let's try this out now. Let's see what are we going to see. I'll test things out. Okay, so we do see that the shuriken now is firing on, let's see, let's see, to our enemies. We do have our camera, but I think there's that bug. We do can fire. Or I think we can fire with the rotation speed. We can even adjust that. So if I go to the shuriken, I think we can see we don't have a variable just here. Can we say let's at export var rotation speed? Let's see if we can now try to test things out here. If we use that at export value, and let's give it a 250 rotation speed. Let's just type that. And testing things, or let's test things out again. And I think that's much better. Mhm. Let's see. Okay, so we do have a rotating, let's say 500, just to give it a maximum value. And flash and test things out. Okay, so I think that's better. The rotation having that weight, we can fire. We do have a, seems like the shuriken is now working with some rotation. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and see you on the next lesson. But there's that bug. So we'll have to figure out how that why that's happening. I think it's more on the spawning area. So it's good that we're doing some testing. Okay. So see you next on the next lesson, guys. I'll try to figure that out.